It's a chair rocking chair. It's a chair rocking chair.
A chair rocking chair, okay.
And rocking chair. And rocking chair.
Poor Andrew has a back cough.
Okay, let me go get it.
Are you talking?
Get it for you.
Are you talking?
I gonna get it for you.
You're talking. Hi, Andrew. Hello. Hello, sweetie.
Who's your baby? It's crazy! Oh my gosh.
Can you have her sit over here?
Gabrielle, sit over. Go on the other side of the table.
There we go.
Ready? What the what?
It's not as funny.
Huh?
Make it funnier.
Okay, Bria. Ready? It's gonna go straight to Bria. What the what? What? That's crazy. Ready? Okay, go to Bria. What? What? Coming back.
Smile. 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 Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Aw. Are you frustrated? Can't do that, huh? Are you frustrated? Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Oh, lovely. Andrew. Yeah. Cleaned up. Are you talking? Maya.
Up to the top on it.
Sure.
Hi, Bria.
The magic carpet.
Hi, Kim.
Hi.
Wow.
Did they empty everyone already?
Yes.
Ooh, go down. Look at the food. Look at the cars. Look at everything.
This is what I wanted for Father's Day breakfast. Look at that. Pancakes, paste, syrup, ketchup, milk, juice, hash browns, and look at that. Look at that omelet. I mean, that's just like...
Better than Danny's?
Oh yeah. Look at that. It's like a piece of work of art.
Alright, happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
Brad.
It's July 4th. My tooth's still bothering me. My gum and tooth.
We're at my parents' house getting ready for a 4th of July dinner. There's the cute little Andrew just sitting here relaxing, trying to go to sleep. This little Winnie the Pooh.
Okay.
It'll just be our little secret. There's a nice dinner here so far. Kibbley's worn out. Mom's working hard as usual.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm so happy, Kim. You decided to do that?
Yes. You go get a book. She's worn out and tired. She's reading a book.
Why don't you go down?
There's a nice dinner here so far. Kibbley's worn out. Mom's working hard as usual.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm so happy, Kim. You decided to do that?
Yes. They're putting the posts in for the fence. Electric or gas post hole digger. I'm missing it mixing. A little bit harder than we thought.
You found me. Let's play again. Close your eyes and count to 10 while I hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go find him. He hid behind one.
Again. Try again.
Did you try the leaf?
Good job. You found me. Let's play again.
better get it before it gets me. Yuck. See ya.
Good one. In the other one. Cutest boy in Edinburgh has this. He's the cutest boy in Edinburgh.
He wants that toy.
Andrew.
Yeah.
You sure were a cute baby, Brown. Look at you.
Hello everybody, this is July 20th as you can see, and Andrew is going to eat peaches for the first time, and Brielle is going to feed him. I'll hold the bowl and you just put a teeny tiny bit on the spoon. Smaller than that. No, smaller than that.
Cheers.
You're on.
Show. Hi. Today's Wednesday. She gets to go home tomorrow. Pretty good.
Look at that, it's bright.
Yeah.
Hope it shows up. See, now she's sitting up in the chair.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye. Time to get out. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I want to smile. She's washing the pan and the sink.
This is my own sink. This is my own sink that I'm washing and my other sink.
Okay. You like doing dishes?
Okay.
Well, you remember this. 'Cause when you
Again. Try again.
Did you try to leave?
Good job. You found me. Let's play again.
smile. I don't know. Look at this happy little boy. This is the first time I've actually seen him cruise on that walker. Okay, here's your ball. Ready? There you go. Ready?
Quiet, Mommy.
He's gonna drop it and then go chase it. That was fast. Go around this way. There you go. Hi. Are you cute? Are you cute? Okay. He says, Mom.
Today's my birthday. It's a special day. A very special day. The sun is da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. I'm 29 years old. Last birthday before in my 20s. Here's what I got for my birthday present. I didn't ask for anything. Kim just chose these out herself.
That is not true.
She just decided.
You asked for all of that.
Oh, okay. Gladware, microwavable. Can be used in the refrigerator, freezer, and microwave. Wash before using. Vent before microwaving. Container may get hot. Handle with care. Washable in the dishwasher. That's what I got. Then I got salt and pepper shakers. Because the salt and pepper shakers we have now.
Most of the time.
What to do. Woo! He's a jumping spider. Woo! Oh my goodness, did you see him jump right over your head?
Oh my God.
Ooh. Jump, jump, jump. He's stepping on me. He's stepping on me. Okay, go let the baby see. What?
So, do you like those pictures of Bria?
I see 5.
Do I look like the dad?
5, okay, 9.
Great.
1.
Couple number.
Keep going.
Here's
1.
me and my kids.
No, 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 no. Don't forget me.
I was looking like Goofy there. Okay, Andrew, we're playing catch ball. You like the ball? You goody.
Look, Andrew just started crawling just about 5 minutes ago. Look at that. Good boy.
I'm just trying to go.
Oh, it's coming out the bottom. All right. Look what Brielle made. That is beautiful, Brielle. It says what?
It says, Happy birthday, Bria. And what going to put this on the napkin. With pillows. That's all?
Brielle has managed to lick all the frosting out of... I just gave away the cake. Let me unwrap it and I'll be back. Okay, the finishing touches. Go ahead. So you might want to turn it around.
I did it.
You might want to turn it around so people can see the number. Yeah, that would be good. Now push it down. We might have to glue it on with frosting. Oh, that. Cute, Brielle. That's cute.
That's a hay. I said, tear the hay.
You sure did. Oh, you love dollies, huh? You take good care of them.
Yeah. We got some scissors up there if you want to take them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can take all of those
Can I
out.
have a nip with it?
Can I see your dolly?
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Are we going to sing?
Should we turn off the light?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brielle. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Look at the flashlight.
Does it turn off after a few minutes?
Did you sing?
I don't know.
Good job.
I hope it turns off by itself. Well, here, somebody take one. Let me get in there too.
Okay.
Jeff?
Jeff in there.
Jeff in there.
Which way are you going? Oh, that's bad.
Hey, you know what?
Okay.
Put my socks on the dirty clothes. What about my other shoe? Oh, here she comes. Look how cute she looks in her pretty nightgown. And her wagon. My other shoe, it needs to go in the closet. It's lonely.
Don't worry. I'll get it.
I think once he gets up, he kind of doesn't know what to do. Hi, cutie. Ah! 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 Did the slippers not fit? Or did she? Oh. Okay.
Okay, that's
Oh.
that. Oh, fun. It says, try me. Push the little button or something.
Push a letter.
Push a letter?
E. Anna.
Oh my gosh.
J. John.
Wow.
Big.
Anna.
Thank you.
Doc.
Thanks, Noe.
That is amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the alphabet.
Oh, how perfect.
C. B.
you a cute little boy? Are you a cute little boy? Yes, you are. These are his windows. He loves to look out.
Are you sick yet, Kim?
One is the daddy, and that one is the baby, and that one is the white son, and that one is the daddy.
Cute pumpkin family. Okay, watch what he does. Let's see if he'll do it. Not get it this time. Maybe next time. Are you gonna bite the spoon? Are you gonna bite the spoon? Are you gonna bite it? Take a drink. Take a drink. Take a drink. 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 You are silly. You.
Here's the teeth. Here's the ears.
Look what Brielle drew. Cute. And is that the ear?
Yeah,
And the cheeks? That's the ear.
and that's the teeth.
And that's the cheek. Okay. You. Ready? You're gonna see it. There! Isn't he cute? That's his little outside trick-or-treat hat. Hi, cute pumpkin. Hi, cutie. Hi. Okay. And there we go.
Over here and then across here.
Hey.
Yeah. Great. He likes it. Giddy up. Say giddy up, horsey. He's strong. Come here, Andrew. Come on.
Daddy bought them for her.
Bria, what are you eating?
No.
Eating what?
No.
She's eating snow that Daddy so generously got off the ground. This is the first snow of the year. Actually, the first was a couple days ago, but this is the first at nighttime.
Happy family home evening.
Happy Round meeting.
Tonight, every week, we have family home evening.
Turn off the light. Are you gonna turn off the light? Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and mark it with a B and toss in the oven. Toss in the oven. For baby and me. We still need to work on that part, but we're excited we can clap. Patty cake, patty. Roll it and mark it with a B and toss in the oven. Toss in the oven. For baby and me. We still need to work on that part, but we're excited we can clap. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Patty cake, baker's man. Oh well, you saw it. There, patty cake, baker's man. The tape's gonna wear out and the batteries are gonna wear out at the same time. Can you scream? Keep trying. Keep trying. Yay! He loves to put things on his head.
Out a baby.
You're pushing out a baby. Okay. There it is. The baby got born. Oh. That was hard work, wasn't it? Oh,
I have many babies in here.
we have little babies in there. And roll it and mark it with a B and tie.
Gets rid of dirt, sky, and grease in just a minute.
District cleaner, clean your whole house, everything that's in it.
Floors, doors, walls, halls, lights, sidewalk, pipes, no golf balls.
Since those bathtubs you'll do, you'll even help with laundry too.
Mr. Clean gets rid of dirt, grass, and grease in just a minute.
District cleaner, clean your whole house, everything that's in it.
And he cleaned the kitchen sink,
Quicker than a wink,
and he cleaned the window sash,
faster than a flash.
and he cleaned a dirty mirror,
You make it bright and clear.
and he cleaned a diamond ring.
Mr. Clean cleans anything.
Mr. Clean gets rid of dirt,
Right and grease in just a minute.
clean my
She's really not scared, is she?
He's awake. Are you gonna turn off the light? Are you gonna turn off the light? Turn off the light. Turn off the light. You did it! You did it! You turned off the light! Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay, come on. See that? Did you see that step? Come on. Come on. Thank you. Cute little boy. The sweetest little boy. Brad, Kim, Brielle, Andrew, and what have we there? I guess we'll have to. Okay. Say bye-bye. Andrew. Andrew, say bye-bye. Andrew. Okay, here it goes, her first big swallow of eggnog. Take a really big swallow. Okay, did you just do a little one? You like it? Okay, do another one. Wait, come tell me about it. What does it taste like? Does it taste like milk? Do you like?
What did Santa bring?
I got this.
Yes. Turn over the light. Right. There we go.
And I got you. Oh my God, a green one. Look what I got that.
Santa brought you those? What are they? Laffy Taffies? Wow.
I think he went to the mom. Got it for me.
Is that where he got him? Oh!
He got it from Mom.
What else did you get? in there?
Let me see. More presents for my mom? There's more pictures in my toy box.
Come get him.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh! Look at you. Oh. Look at the camera. Stand back.
It's a
Reese's peanut butter tree. Oh my gosh, what's this? A piece of paper. Let me see. Did Santa write me something? Dear Brad, the prophet has asked us to have a complete set of temple clothes. This paper is good for one pair of pants. We need to wait until January when they will be only half price. Please fill out the size you prefer, waist, length. Thanks.
So I can see what. Oh! Look how cute that. No, let her do it all by herself. See if she can do it. Oh, Brielle, you can do that. Yes, you're not going shopping there. There's something there. Hey, when I saw that, I knew that was the one. Oh, Brielle. What you gonna name him, huh? What you gonna name your dinosaur rocker?
What you gonna name your dinosaur? Is this for Brielle or is it for
Be careful, it's for Andrew. Brielle, you know whose dinosaur that is? It's Andrew's, but guess what? It's for both of you.
In case we didn't know what date it is, I have the date on.
Good.
Okay.
Hi.
All right.
Let's pay maybe, huh?
Hallelujah.
Who knows?
The only thing is, it like moves when you rock.
I know, it's like carries across the floor.
Is it moving around, huh?
Yeah. Go yeehaw!
Yeah.
Wanna go get some bologna?
Yeah, we've got some food to munch on. Hey, I haven't even fixed my hair yet. Ah, it's not gonna look that different, but.
What? You're coming backwards, you got ready.
Okay, honey. Oh,
It's his nap time.
poor little guy that just like the Ribena. This is gonna be wonderful. Heidi, would you come out and show Brielle how to do some ballerina steps?
Like the ball.
Thanks, Dennis. This is gonna be cool. I'm gonna get this actually. Oh, this will be just that.
Pretty.
Just
Look
right.
at her. Put your arms up and do some turns.
Yeah. Wow. Pretty music. Thank you very much. That's great.
Earlier, so you won that for us.
Good
Thank
job.
you.
They won't have an answer greater than that.
Yeah, it does.
This is We went to the moon in that day.
I know.
Well, this is way.
Maybe before that?
Oh yeah, this is the early.
Well, how?
And there's Nancy changing her thing. She's like, you know, you're right.
Oh, that was.
I have it on video. That was sweet.
That was
I had it all on video.
That was priceless.
Ted's like talking about, well, we didn't go to space on this date, and Nancy's like keeps changing it earlier and earlier. And she's like, you're right.
Oh, that was
sweet.
What was the question?
Here's the question. The first docking occurs in space as Gemini 8 and an Agena spacecraft.
So they were doing stuff before the moon, I
Linked
guess.
See,
together.
that doesn't make sense to me.
Merry
This
Christmas,
is
everyone.
preliminary.
I don't understand, but I don't understand.
They went to space before they went to the
Why
moon.
did they go to the moon and...
Their new clothes for Christmas and their new high chair so they can eat.
And
So,
that's way. And a circle for the plate. Look at the circle.
a circle. All right. And what are you wearing, Brielle?
My new dress. You like the pockets?
Yeah.
My finish.
Curve, a horned toad in India.
Hey, this says January 1st already. It's December
Curve,
31st.
a Russian head cover. Curve, a cut mark in a tree made by a saw. Curve. Sorry, what happens when you go up on the curve?
Oh my God. That is getting...
I'm sorry, we're supposed to be straight here, I'm sorry. Curve.
I'm sorry. Thanks for giving that one away. She looks right at me.
You drove on the curve?
Get ready. Get ready.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There.
Good job. Now dance. Stand up and dance. Now dance. See if you can get him to dance for you. Are you standing on your head? Andrew, stand on your head. He never does this. He always puts stuff right in his mouth. There he goes. Ah, you little squirt.
He said bigger.
I can see his view, Dad.
Who's you, Mama?
You.
Oh, look at him.
Do you see him cry?
It's not close Andrew.
Okay, Mommy.
Come here, Andrew.
Okay.
Come here, Andrew. There. Okay, look how good he walks holding your hand.
Okay, Mommy, go walk him over there.
Good. Okay, now look how even better he walks without holding on to anything. Are you going to Daddy instead of me? You little squirt. Look at him.
Now you turn him around. Okay, wait, just a second.
Rio needs the attention too. Okay.
Come on.
Rio.
Move, Rio. Please. Oh, we gotta do better than that.
Okay. Ready?
He's gonna walk. We gotta get this on. Come on.
Go to Daddy.
Come on, Nandus. Hi.
I need to wait in line, Dad.
You know it's sad when you get makeup on and your son doesn't even recognize you and he won't even touch you. He's been staring at me the whole time. Andrew, it's Mommy.
Go stand in the light. Looks good, babe.
Yeah, for tonight. Everyone else was getting like cut really short and highlighted and
Like who?
well, just older, you know, the older people.
I like it. I like it.
And that's the, she says she does this for a lot of weddings, but you gotta do the.
Look at that cool braid. Wow.
I think I have enough mascara on.
Okay. Listen. That was good.
Good, Brad.
Oh, he's trying this too.
Oh.
Can you do that? You can do it.
Wow, your leg goes up high, Brielle.
Boom.
I want to do my birthday dance. It was scary.
You know what to do.
I'm going to do Halloween music. Halloween is on my Wednesday. Halloween music and Halloween dancing with my friends. Because my friends want to do Halloween dancing. Even water, even my...
Yay!
Even Tata and even Lisa.
Okay.
And even Andrew.
Okay, all of us.
And
There's Andrew's birthday cake. His birthday's really on the 25th, but we're celebrating it today. And Andrew likes duckies. He says ducky, ducky.
The kids.
I can't believe how quick he went into walking. I mean,
Probably 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I didn't see him for a little while, and then all of a sudden he's walking. Walking. He was walking. Now he'll be talking.
Hi. Hi, Daddy. Go eat it. Cute little eyes.
It'll be fun for outside too.
Whoa, big ball.
Okay, let's open up the next present. Thank you.
Let's get it out.
Oh, wait, he
Let's
wants
get
to
it out.
play with
Let's
it.
see. Yeah.
Do you need scissors?
Yeah, he does. Come on. Who cares about the box?
After 50 times of that.
Happy birthday to you. When they come over, we can say,
Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you.
He's hypnotized there.
I need on 7, dude.
Okay, now turn on the light. Just blow it out.
Blow it.
Blow it out for you. Okay, blow.
Blow. Yay!